It is picnic day. What do I have in my picnic basket? Me and David love going on picnics. Today we are at Daisy Hill, which is, I'll show more pictures later so you can see what it looks like. It's really pretty. David actually proposed to me here in this park. Okay, so in my picnic basket, and then you put the water in there. This is David's, obviously. He's not keto, he still drinks sugar. And this is mine. I got a Powerade Zero. And I'll spare you David's sandwiches. So, this is mine. I have some jalapeno stuffed olives. And then I have some tomato with sea salt. And then I have smoked salmon wraps that basically I just wrapped them up in Edam cheese and a tiny little bit of mayo on it. And this is one of my go-tos. I love smoked salmon. And if you wrap it up in cheese, a little bit of mayo, it's awesome. And today is Friday, September, is it the 8th today? 8th. And we are off today, so I am going to do 2 meals instead of the one that I normally have to do. And I still have my coffee, and see if I can show you the view of the park. My husband's moving out of the way as I'm showing you. Look at these trees. Oh, I love this place. And this is my favorite time of year here in Australia. It's like the humidity isn't crazy. It's just nice and it's warm, but it's more of a little bit dry heat. And then it's beautiful. Like we don't have the storms coming through or anything right now. And I will video more later. Hey everyone! So you can see what I take for picnics when I go. I just keep it really simple and easy. And this is Daisy Hill Koala Center. I love this place. My husband actually told me to look at this tree and he said, "Oh, look at this weird tree." So I looked at the tree and I was like, yeah, it is weird. And then when I turned around, he was on one knee with the ring to propose to me. And I was like, oh, you're such a dick. And he did it on Valentine's Day. And I told him, I said, whatever you do, do not propose to me on Valentine's Day, because it's like so cliche. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Bye! Okay, so after we got done with our picnic and then we went walking, we were going to walk a lot longer, but they did like some backburning at the forest and all the trails were like backburned and ugh. So we ended up going to a basketball court and played basketball for about 30 minutes. And we really failed at that, but it was still fun. And then now I'm eating, the only other thing I'm eating for the day. I didn't even eat all of my lunch. I gave David some of my salmon and cheese and some tomato and everything. And just not hungry today. but I know I need to up my calories more than 500 because that's ridiculous. So I have 50 grams of macadamia nuts, and then I've got a low carb whipped protein bar, which is 2 grams of net carbs. I know not everybody on keto does this, but I like it. It tastes good, and usually once a week I try to have something sweet, and I needed more protein anyway, so just throwing that in there. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you're enjoying my videos and watching my journey. I hope everyone has a good day today. Bye!